What's up, everybody? It's been a little bit since I posted a video, but today is actually a pretty special day because me and Brian are going to be surprising Ray with a new car, new drift car. I'm super excited. It's been really hard to keep it a secret for as long as I have, but today's the day, so let's get to it. If you guys haven't seen, this is currently how his car sits. Do a little walk around real quick. It's pretty beat up. It still runs and drives okay, drifts pretty well. But there's a lot of frame damage up front from where Nico spun out in front of him and he actually T-boned him. And then this was from a wall tap at a Drift Indy event. I don't remember which one exactly. But he wants to try to fix it all. He's got most of the front end replaced from parts of Nico's car. It was a lot more smashed up. The hood doesn't line up properly. The bumper's destroyed. Just the body of the car is really beat up. So, me and Brian actually have the opportunity to pick up a silver E46 coupe, just like Brian's. It's a 2.8, it's 328. It just needs a trans, so we're hoping that we can maybe either pull the trans out of his E36 or use one of the ones I have on the shelf in there. So I got the trailer hooked up. Me, Brian, and Zach are about to go pick the car up. I actually got my old GTI back. I want to talk about this thing for a second. From the guy I sold it to, he's having problems with it, so I bought it back for a really good price, and I'm going to be trying to fix a lot of the rust and putting some of the interior back together and making this thing drive really good again. So I'm gonna go inside and get Zach and Brian. We're gonna go pick this car up. Sean just got here in his new Ridgeline. Mess. All right, so this is the car. It is now raining. You can tell this is our issue. The lower control arm bolt is not through, so we're going to try to find a jack handle to get it jacked up and then put a bolt through that just so we can roll it on the trailer.
Are you doing that for a meme? This is going to be freewheeling here.
We're getting close. Ooh,
I think you're there.
oh, sick.
Oh, the lug nuts aren't tight.
Alright, so we got it down to the parking lot. We're going to try to get it on the trailer now and then head home. These boys are so happy.
Has this thing been beat?
It's a little rough. This is some sketchy stuff we got going on.
Fucking hell.
This is pulling the car on the trailer. Oh, I just broke my ratchet strap.
Huh? No way.
Oh, something's broken. Oh, I know the problem. The rope's over the teeth. Hang on.
I fucking accidentally started. Ooh, crunchy. Ah! It fell! Go ahead! Dude, I love that audio.
Gotta readjust this around.
Have you ever the edge of the trailer yet? No. Really? No.
So much work for no reward.
3/4 of the car's already fucking on. How short's the drive shaft?
Taking after you for inspiration.
Yeah. Sometimes good, sometimes shit.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
That's why I like.
Oh, be Chase your snaps, buddy.
Oh, ooh, these mine now. Tinted corners, mine. Rally car. Yeah, get the. Get the fucking on the trailer shot. Bye.
Big strong man.
God damn, Jackson.
We're almost on there. I bet we could push it now. All right. It's all strapped down. Time to head back to the shop and surprise Ray. He better love this car or else I think we're all going to be pissed because that sucked. Anyway, see you guys back at the shop. All right, so we are now about to be awesome.
It is darker.
Heading to the shop. Sorry, Jackson turned the light out. I hit this tree.
Hit the tree, boy. You about to fucking ramp this shit off.
Hey, hold on.
What?
Did one of you guys crank the fucking thing up?
Yeah,
You sure?
I did.
Alright, what's
We'll find out real quick.
Anyway, we're back on the road to the shop.
Oh, are we on video?
Yeah,
Oh.
I'll have to
Yeah, hold on. block him out completely.
I'll have to try to figure out a way to get Ray outside without him seeing me recording or something. I'll figure that out when we get back. So. All right.
Am I good?
On 3, I want you to turn around and look. All right. 1, 2, 3. Say
Oh no!
no, not oh no. Say hello to your new E46 Coupe.
Mine?
Yeah, this is yours.
What?
This is your new drift car.
How? Why? You gotta explain why.
This is your new drift car.
Does it run?
It runs. It needs a trans.
Okay.
But it
just
runs.
like the other 46.
Yeah. Because that thing over there is a little rough.
That's a little rough.
So me and Brian got you a new car.
Are you being like fucking dead ass?
I swear everything.
Bro, my fucking dude. What the fuck?
Yeah, no hug for you, Brian.
I love you, buddy. What the fuck?
She needs some work,
Yeah.
but
You're a body guy.
I am a body guy. That's what. Yeah.
It's actually,
not wrong.
it's almost.
Is it already on coils and shit?
the
Or is it just fucking
Kinda.
blown out suspension?
the rear coils aren't on, the struts aren't on, but the springs are in. They're in the car.
Bro, what the fuck? Are you being dead ass?
Fuck? So serious.
We're gonna have all matching cars next year. That's actually fucking wild.
I think he likes it.
Where'd you guys go to get this?
Somewhere special.
Bro, like, I literally don't even know what the fuck to say right now. That's the fucking gnarliest shit ever.
You like it?
Yeah, I fucking love it. This is fucking sick.
Hell yeah.
This is literally fucking
Hey, Anna, it's got a mouth.
I am stealing these corner lights though, that's it.
fucking baby. Bro, next year's about to be so fucking live.
He likes it.
I do like it very much.
He almost didn't come down here because he was asleep. I had to call him over and over again to get down here.
Well, I was very much napping, so I'm sorry.
Alright.
Well, guess I have a lot more to do this morning.
Well, I'm glad you like it. I'm just as excited as you are.
Is this fucking T. Whitty's other car?
Yes, sir.
No fucking way. Started looking, I was like, man, those E90 was like fucking really familiar.
No smashed trunk, no smashed fenders. The body's in really good shape.
Fucking clean, dude. Hey, we have
Just needs a click tuning kit.
Yeah.
Well,
Fuck yes, dude. Thank you. For real. Fucking thank you.
no problem, dude. It's been really hard keeping it a secret for like the last almost 2 months.
Yeah, how the fuck have you known about it for 2 months?
All right, well, I think I'm gonna end that here. We got a little something in store for these two vehicles, but that'll be another video in its own. So stay tuned. Tell the people what to do.
Like, comment, subscribe. These people are fucking genuinely awesome humans, so stay tuned for more. This is fucking incredible.
And thank you to Zach for helping us.